Hey there, Avra here with Cami. Have you ever created a digital assignment for students, pushed it out, and then realized you made a mistake? Or have you ever pushed an assignment out to students and find that everyone's confused about number 5, for example? Do you wish that you could make changes to an assignment or even push mass feedback out to a group of students after already assigning it? Well, with Cami, you can. We have a wonderful feature called Publish Changes. Let's take a look. Let's use this simple machines activity as an example. This is a student view. Let's pretend that I'm a student and I'm confused, and I'm raising my hand in class. I look around, and several of my friends are also raising their hand. Everyone's confused about the directions on this assignment. What the teacher can do, let's slide over and take a look. The teacher can head to the assignment and click. From here, he or she can head to the Edit Template button. Then, this opens up the template file. As I've mentioned before, I always use this expand button so that I can see it full screen. From here, as the teacher, I can go in and I can make comments. Hey guys, I know everybody's confused. I've rewritten the directions, so let me know if you still have any questions. I could also use a text box to go ahead and rewrite those directions. Any changes that I make to the assignment can quickly and easily be published or pushed out to all of my students by coming up here to the top right to this Publish Changes button. We could even do something as simple as crossing off one of the problems or one of the questions because everyone's confused. Teachers could do something like, hey guys, it looks like everyone's confused about number 2. We're simply going to skip it and we'll do it together in class. So any changes, whether it's mass feedback out to the whole group or a simple spelling error that gets fixed, can be published and pushed to all students. Let's take a look. We'll click. It gives us a quick reminder that says, hey, doesn't matter if the kids have opened this or if they're currently working on it. It's not going to erase any student work or mess anything up, but it will publish those changes out. Are you sure you want to do that? We'll hit publish, and then let's slide back over and take a look. Now, I'm back at the student view. I can see the new instructions. I can see new comments over here that explain these changes. And now I'll have a better chance of being successful on this assignment. This is Publish Changes with Cami and Schoology. Thanks for watching.